Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. Today we will learn idioms and its meaning with example of how to use these idioms in sentences. So let's start. A bit much. It means more than is reasonable, a bit too much. While writing an article, make sure that the language you use is not a bit much for your audience. A bite at the cherry. It means a good opportunity that is not available to everyone. The teacher decided to give them a second bite at the cherry by allowing them to take the test again. A busy bee. It means a busy, active person who moves quickly from task to task. I enjoyed being a busy bee, getting things done. A cat has 9 lives. It means a cat seems to get away with dangerous things. Ram has acted like a cat has 9 lives in his long career. A cat in gloves catches no mice. It means you can't get what you need if you are too careful. Raj behaves like a cat in gloves catches no mice to realize his dream. A cat nap. It means a short sleep during the day. I think I shall have a cat nap during my lunch hour. A cold day in July. It means something that will never happen. It will be a cold day in July before you defeat me. A cold fish. It means someone who is not often moved by emotions. He never helped others. He is a cold fish. A cut above. It means slightly better than. His latest novel is a cut above the rest. A cut below. It means slightly lower than. He says he wants immigration cut below 1 lakh. A day late and $1 short. It means too delayed and insignificant to have much effect. My boyfriend's promises to finally spend more time with me were a day late and $1 short, so I broke up with him. A dog in the manger. It means a person who selfishly prevents others from using, enjoying, or profiting. We have learned that we must live as men, not as ostriches, nor as dogs in the manger. A few sandwiches shorts of a picnic. It means abnormally stupid, not really sane. It's difficult to see a few sandwiches short of a picnic in a sentence. A good deal. It means to a large extent, a lot. No deal is good deal when two sides are unhappy. A great deal. It means to a very large extent. It appears there is a great deal of confusion among voters. A guinea pig. It means someone who is part of experiment or trial. They wanted him to be a guinea pig for these new airplanes. A hair's breadth. It means a very small distance or amount. I don't think that a surge protector would have made a hairbreadth's difference in this case. A home bird. It means somebody who prefers to spend his social or free time at home. It's the next best thing to be like a home bird. A 110%. It means more than what seems to be the maximum. I know 110% they are in high need of life-saving medicines. A lame duck. It means a person or business that is not a success and that has to be helped. He has been a lame duck for almost a month. A leg up. It means an advantage, a boost. Chia needs a leg up on her quest for 5 gold medals. A lemon. It means a vehicle that does not work properly. We have laws to help when our Lincoln is a lemon. A life of its own. It means an independent existence. Very fortunate about it still having a life of its own. A little bird told me. It means I don't wish to divulge from where I got the information. army general was very happy that a little bird told him on time. A little from column A, a little from column B. It means a course of action drawn from several ideas or possibilities. A leader always derives his work policy based on a little from column a little from column B. Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.